Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about hair, how to have good and healthy hair. Products that work for me, I always share with you. So today I've brought to you the Sesa Ayurvedic products. Now this is the shampoo and this is the oil, which is very good. Sesa uses the wisdom of Asian Ayurveda to make honest, authentic and affordable hair care products for you guys. The products are very effective with hair growth, hair strengthening, dandruff and also damage repair. So let's get started with the complete and detailed review. So now let's start with this Sesa Ayurvedic Strong Roots. It has banyan tree extracts plus 25 rare herbs and also 6 essential oils and milk. Now this oil is made with Kshir Pak Vidhi. So the packaging looks like this, very nice. All the ingredients, ingredients and details are written out over here, and also about the Kshir Pak Vidhi is written here, which I'll explain you right now. Now this is 100% natural. It is clinically proven. It has 100% Ayurvedic products, and yes, it is GMP certified GMP products. So let's talk about the Pak Vidhi. Kshir Pak Vidhi. It is a 5,000 old ancient Ayurvedic practice. Now in this they boil 26 plus herbs like bringraj, banyan tree extracts, hibiscus and 6 oils, coconut, lemon and also sesame in pure cow milk. Okay, now this is boiled for like 22 hours and that's what it makes this so effective. Now this is how the bottle looks like. This contains it contains no mineral oil, no paraben, no sulfates, which is very good. It strengthens hair follicles and prevents hair fall and thinning, supports hair growth and repairs hair damage. It also prevents premature graying. The oil comes out from those small holes and the application becomes very easy. Now the benefits of this oil is that when you do it with this comb, your blood circulation increases. That enhances hair growth. It nourishes and conditions your scalp completely, and at last it reduces hair fall, which is the main thing we all are going through. So this one is one of the best products. It is a very old brand and it has come back with a bang in India. So I highly recommend this if this suits you completely. So definitely give it a try. So you have to leave the oil overnight, okay? And next thing what you have to do is wash your hair with the shampoo. Now this is the Sesa Ayurvedic Strong Roots Hair Strengthening Shampoo plus Conditioner. So this is 2-in-1. It has both shampoo and conditioner. So I think this is going to be very good for you guys. Now Sesa Shampoo is India's first sulfate and paraben free shampoo plus conditioner. It also contains 26 medicinal herb, same like the oil, and it naturally conditions your hair. So that is the main thing. As I told you, my hair are very much hydrated. They are not rough. They are not dry. See, if you're looking for a straight hair, sorry, it will not give that, but it's going to give you strong hair. It's going to give you nourished hair. It's going to give you healthy roots and healthy hair. As this is sulfate free, it won't have much foam, so it is going to effectively clean your scalp. So don't worry, every oil residue is going to come clean. This is also suitable for chemically treated colored hair. Now it prevents hair fall, it prevents breakage, and it also repairs your damaged hair, which are already damaged. It's going to repair them. The results start showing in like 7 to 8 washes. If you wash your hair twice, I have long hair, I wash twice a week, sometimes even once a week. So it's going to take like 2 to 3 months to show you the results, and a significant improvement in your hair and scalp condition is seen in like 3 to 4 months of usage. So you have to use this directly on your hair, on wet hair and scalp. Gently massage it for like a minute, wait for 2 to 3 minutes and then wash off with normal water. And yes, it's very easy to use. You can use it once or twice a week or as you desire. So this is how the shampoo looks like here. This is like a natural color. The fragrance is amazing. And after wash also the fragrance lingers around for a very little time, but it's a very very good fragrance. So this is how it looks like. The results that this Sesa shampoo has, the shampoo, I hardly change my shampoo, but I only use good shampoos which I really trust, and I have that instinct that it's going to work for me. So Sesa is really working good for me. It has provided very healthy hair. The condition is amazing than what I really want a shampoo to give me. I definitely face dandruff problems, so I'm going to show you up close. There are no dandruff. Still, it's going to take time for the scalp to repair itself. So no particular sign of dandruff as of now. After 3 washes, I've used this shampoo thrice. And yes, this is an amazing shampoo. I've loved it for its conditioning. I've loved it for dandruff. And I am still going through and seeing the condition on my hair fall. So yes, this is perfect. So you can buy these products from Nykaa. I'm going to give you a direct link in the description box. Also, you can use my code, which is SESARS10 right here. SESARS10 to avail 10% discount on products on Sesa. This was all for this beautiful products. I hope you like it, and this was my honest review. And yes, I'll be back with my more videos. Till then, you be happy and you be stylish. Bye.